What you got there, little baby book?
Hey, get out of here, jerk.
Hey.
Don't throw the ball at me.
Well then don't knock my hat off.
What did you just break? Girls, you know we don't mess around at school. You just broke something of mine. You are both getting a Saturday school.
What are you doing?
What? It was already broken.
Mr. Trowbridge's class has worked so hard on these. We don't destroy those.
I don't care.
Well, now you might care because you have Saturday school.
Oh, man, I had plans for Saturday.
Not anymore.
Crud muffins, I'm in such big trouble.
All right, friends, I'm gonna come around and collect your homework. Make sure your names are on your papers.
Oh no, I didn't do my homework. Ooh, we're gonna be in big trouble.
All right. Thank you. That looks awesome. Good job. Jack, where's your work?
My sister threw it away.
Jack, this is the 10th time that you haven't done your assignment. I'm gonna have to give you Saturday school.
Aw, man.
Jared, get over here.
What did I do?
Well, this is the third time I've had to say something to you about running to the buses. You know what that means, right?
What?
Saturday school.
Aww.
Here's your copy.
Aww. Don't you forget about me. Don't you forget about me. As you walk on by, will you call my name? As you walk on by, will you call my name? You can sit here. Thanks, I guess.
Well, Nay, I'm surprised you haven't learned your lesson yet.
What? I didn't do it.
Yeah, I'm sure you didn't. Listen up, Saturday school kids. Today's not going to be any fun. You have 8 hours of work to do, and I brought a special job just for you guys. So, Socktober is going on from now till November 22nd, and our school needs to raise 450 pairs of socks. So I went through my dresser this morning. I got a bunch of socks for you to find the matches for over here. So I want you guys to come over here, go through these socks. I'm gonna be in my office watching Netflix. You guys enjoy some Saturday school.
Man, I can't believe we're doing this today.
You do the crime, you do the time. What did you do, Jared?
I ran to the buses.
Amateur, you know that there are teachers all around, Jared.
Oh yeah, and what'd you do, Jack?
I got a little distracted while playing Rocket League, so I forgot to do my homework.
For the 10th time.
In my defense, it's a really good game.
Well, if you would have just done your homework, then you could have been playing it right now. That's not how our minds work. Why do it today when you can do it tomorrow?
Oh yeah, then what did you do, ladies?
Nothing. We were just tossing a ball around. And we may have broken Mr. Brubaker's urn that has his dog's ashes in it.
So, Evelyn, we're all wondering how.
What did you do to get Saturday school?
It's too embarrassing. By the way, isn't Socktober just supposed to be for new socks?
Wait, I think you're right. I have the flyer right here. Ooh, let me see. Yes, only new socks.
Then why are we going through Mr. Trowbridge's old socks?
Well, at least he has a nice fabric softener. Here, give me this. Jack, write a note to Mr. Trowbridge saying that we've learned our lesson and that we're leaving to go get new socks.
Can do, boss.
Dear Mr. Trowbridge, we've learned our lesson. School is for learning, not playing. We're going to do better because Saturday school isn't fun at all. By the way, Socktober needs new socks, so we're going to go get some. Sincerely, the Laundry Club.
Don't you forget